Hi everybody, welcome to week 2, module 2. I got a few emails from people. I apologize. There were 2 different places to submit the written assignment for module 1, so either place that you put it is good. I will grade them both and then move the grades into the correct column. Apologize for that. So, in our second week, we're going to be looking at understanding people at work and looking specifically at work attitudes and behaviors, person-organization fit, person-job fit, and do another journal entry on characteristics of principal leaders. So take a look at chapters 3 and 4 for your module materials. Plus, here are 3 articles and a video about being your true, authentic self as a leader. So the discussion board asks you to evaluate your current or most recent employer on the criteria for best places to work. So your chapter gives you an example of SAS. So answer the questions, share them with each other, and hopefully you'll be able to learn some things. The discussion board, the initial post should be submitted by Wednesday, and then the 2 responses or responses to at least 2 other posts should be posted by Sunday at midnight. So the individual assignment here in this module has you assessing your person fit, basically. Your own fit with the organization, your fit with your job. And so I've asked you to start this out by completing an assignment called Catch Your Dreams to help identify what it is that you value, what you want to accomplish. And this also ties in with the journal entry for this week. So this is about fit. Where are you now? Where would you be a good fit? And then the journal for this week is about embracing a true, authentic self. And so for this journal assignment, I draw on a book by Bill George called True North. Discover Your True North is the field guide. And so this is one of the activities that he writes about and suggests as you're trying to find your true north. You do not have to turn in the picture, just answer the questions in your journal submission. So first you start out by drawing a picture of the path of your life to date, and I showed you a picture. I posted a scan of the one I drew in my class. And then talk about, in terms of thinking of yourself as a true, authentic, or leading with your true, authentic self, who have been the main experiences in your life thus far, main influences, experiences. What was the most difficult challenge you faced so far? Bill George calls this the crucible, and talks about how effective leaders turn their crucibles into opportunities for personal growth. So that's what we've got for Module 2. I'll look forward to getting to know you better through your Module 1 work. Let me know if you have any questions.